Hello. Today we're going to talk about knowledge in mind expression. This section of mind expression is used to check and expand the understanding of the AI. It can be found on the leftmost side menu of the website once you're logged in. Knowledge is divided into four different features. First feature of knowledge is the My Ontology page. As you may already know, the AI of mind expression is made up of ontologies semantically related to one another. The My Ontology page allows the users to create their own ontologies and expand these ontologies by creating semantically related sentences. We actually have a separate video for creating these ontologies using My Ontology page. The link is attached below if you are interested. Second feature of the knowledge page is the recognition check. The recognition check feature allows the users to search whether a statement already has an existing ontology or not. Available on the right side of the screens are the statements related to the base statement. Moving on, the next feature is called semantic relations. Semantic relations allows the users to check whether a sentence is related to either a target subject or a target ontology. The last feature for the knowledge page is the entity types page. This page allows the users to create, edit, and view their entities. This page also contains the pre-built entities within Mind Expression. Let's go through the three tabs in My Entities page. My Entities tab contain all of the entities created by the users. They can create, edit, and delete entities here. The system extensible are pre-built entities within Mind Expression which can be edited by the users. Lastly, the system entities are pre-built entities within Mind Expression that cannot be edited by the users. We also have a separate video regarding entities. The link is attached below if you are interested. And that concludes our discussion for the knowledge page in Mind Expression today.